heavy. Oh my god. Oh, you're...
Hello, we are with Outdoor Idaho crew, and we are about to go bike packing, following a group of lady bike packers from here, right where we are in Idaho City, all the way up north of Crouch. I'm with Maya, our videographer. She's getting her bike set. We're gonna be carrying a drone, a camera, 2 GoPros, a 360 camera. So a lot of weight on this trip, and we'll keep you updated along the way. We are about 4, almost 5 miles into the bikepacking ride featuring the Idaho Women's Bikepacking Group, and we've got, let's see, 45 miles to go. So should be an interesting day of shooting video for Outdoor Idaho on bike. We are almost 18 miles in, about 11 miles to Garden Valley. Filming and biking is logistically challenging, as we expected.
Yeah, I definitely did not lose a camera. And then we had some difficulties getting our bikes on a rack. We rode about like 30 miles, but now we're waiting for them to get into the forest land.
And then we'll get a shot. They're very fast bikers, so they'll probably be here really soon. Slept in the tent last night, got rained on. But overall got some great shots this morning, and it's a beautiful day in Idaho.